Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a mushroom. So we're going to start with the stem. So we're going to start up here and then do like a slightly curved line going down. And then we're going to go the other side. Again, slightly curved. Just like that. And then at the bottom we're going to draw a curved line. And then the top, we're going to draw another curved line. Okay, so now we're going to do the top part of the mushroom. So I'm just going to start right here and then just go out and around, then kind of go in slightly. Make a point at the top, not a point, but like a, go all the way to the top and then go do the same on the other side, just like that. And then next we're going to do the, like, I guess it's called the gills of the mushroom. I don't know why it's called that, but we're going to draw where that part would go. So we're going to draw a kind of like an oval. We're going to make sure we go like along this bottom edge and leave like a space right there. And then we're going to go and do the other side. Just like that. And then we're going to draw the gills of the mushroom. So just lines. It's kind of like the bottom part of the mushroom. Just like that. All right, and then we're going to just add a few circles on top of our mushroom. No, I mean, some mushrooms, I guess they have circles, but most mushrooms you see are just plain mushroom. But we're going to add some just for some extra decoration. And then I'm going to just do a few little blades of grass at the bottom, because mushrooms generally, well, they grow in the grass, but we also see them in the woods and everything. But we're just going to add some grass at the bottom just for a little extra. So next we're going to go ahead and use our black marker and outline our mushroom. Do this underside of the mushroom. And then go ahead and do our gills underneath. And then our little circle decorations on top. All right, and then our little pieces, little blades of grass at the bottom. All right, just like that. And then we'll come in with our eraser and erase all of our pencil lines. Make sure you hold on to your paper when you're doing this, because I've had several times where if you erase too hard, it'll crinkle up your paper. You make sure you put your other hand on the paper while you're doing that. that off. We're gonna come in with our colors. So I chose a light orange for the top of the mushroom. And you could choose any color that you like. It doesn't even have to be a natural color. Be really careful around those circles, some very tiny details. I usually like to outline my drawings before I color them in. It's, you know, just put like a line around each circle, and then you can just color in fast. Okay, and then we're gonna do the circles on the top, and then the gills, and then the stem. I'm gonna use this color. It's kind of like a light, very light yellow color. But again, you can use any color that you'd like to color your mushroom. Our circles at the top are going to be that same color. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and do our grass. So I'm going to use this grass green color, and I'm just going to like outline the black underneath, just so we can see the color of the grass, but not drawing on top of the black line. Okay, and that's how you draw a mushroom. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have several other videos on my page, and then more to come. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.